Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn decimal place value together, step by step. Every digit sits in a place that tells its value. To the left of the decimal point, we have ones, tens, and hundreds. To the right, we have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths, each 10 times smaller than the one before. Let's read 3.42. The 3 is in the ones place. The 4 is in the tenths place, and the 2 is in the hundredths place. We say this number as 3 and 42 hundredths. Moving one place to the left makes a digit worth 10 times more. Moving one place to the right makes it 10 times less. So 1 whole equals 10 tenths, and 1 tenth equals 10 hundredths. Let's expand 5.07. The 5 is 5 ones. There are 0 tenths and 7 hundredths, so it equals 5 plus 7 hundredths, written as 5 and 7 hundredths. So digits to the right of the decimal point get smaller by 10 each step, tenths, then hundredths, then thousandths. Find each digit's place, and you can read and expand any decimal. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.